Hello and welcome back. Today we'll unlock English grammar secrets by breaking down nouns step by step and simple, perfect for beginners or anyone brushing up. Let's get started.
Before we begin revising nouns and their types, let's take a quick thought exercise. The word noun itself has an origin. Can anyone tell me which language it came from and what it means? Think about it and share your answer in comment section.
The English word noun comes from the Latin term nomen, means name. It's passed through Anglo-Norman French before entering English in the 14th century. A noun is a word used to name. Person example student, animal example tiger, thing example tree, place example Taj Mahal. Type of noun. Common noun. Common noun is a general name given for a person. Example, student. Place, example, monument, thing. Example, tree animal. Example, tiger. Proper noun. It always begins with a capital letter. Special name given to the particular. Animal example, doorknob. Person example, APJ Abdul Kalam. Place example, India. Thing example, mobile phone brand Oppo. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is the name of something that we can see, touch, hear, or smell with our five senses. Person example, teacher. Place example, school. Animal example, elephant. Things example, books. Abstract noun. An abstraction noun is the name of something we cannot see, touch, taste, or smell. It refers to ideas, feelings, qualities, or states. Feelings example, happiness. Bravery example, soldier. Ideas example, freedom. States example, health. Countable noun. Countable noun which can be measured or counted. Example, many boys, many books, many cows. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun nouns which cannot be measured or counted. Example, rice water. Kindness. Collective noun. Collective noun. Noun refers to a naming word used for a group of animals, thing, or people. People. Example, crowd of people, animals. Example, a flock of birds. Things. Example, a bunch of grapes. Compound noun noun. Made up of two or more words that join together to form a single noun with a specific meaning. These words can be written in three different ways. Closed form compound noun example. Sunflower, hyphenated, form compound noun example. Mother of pearl, compound noun. Open form example. Bus stop. Material noun. Material nouns refers to something material or substance out of which other things are made. It is uncountable. Necklace is made from gold. Singular noun. Noun used to name single person, place, or thing. Person example, a boy. Place example, a village. Thing example, an apple. Animal example, a cat. Plural noun, noun that refers to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. It shows that the number is two or more. Person example, boys. Place example, villages. Thing example, apples. Animal example, cats. Possessive noun. Noun that shows the ownership. Example, Neha's dress is beautiful. Nehas represent the ownership. Gerunds. It's a verb acting as a noun. It is a form that ends in ing and functions as a noun in a sentence. Dance plus ing, dancing. Appositive. A noun used as an appositive immediately follow a noun to further defense or identify it. Example, the river Ganga, the longest river in India, flows into the Bay of Bengal. The longest river in India is a appositive in the given sentence. It gives extra information about the river Ganga.